Are you interested in growing and selling produce to local markets but not quite sure how to get started? Well, OSU Extension Beginning Farming and Ranching Specialist Dr. Josh Campbell has a new program that you might want to check out.
Hi, I'm Josh Campbell, Beginning Farmer and Rancher Assistant Program Specialist here at OSU Extension. We have an ongoing project that is supported by the USDA National Institute of Food and Agriculture, USDA NIFA, through their Beginning Farmer Rancher Development Program. And that project has a lot of different elements. One of those is our apprenticeship program that we'll be launching in the spring of 2026. This pilot program is going to be an 8-month program with the intent of participants working 500 hours on site with the farms that they're placed at. That 500 hours of working will give them direct hands-on experience engaging in different activities on the farm. It will also allow them to develop some relationship and receive some mentorship and some guidance and advice from the farmers that they're working alongside. And then there's a kind of the peer network, the relationships that they'll build with other participants in the program. If you're contemplating the idea of starting your own small farm and specifically wanting to get into specialty crop kind of market gardening, growing vegetables, flowers, things like that for sale at farmers market, this would be a great opportunity for you. Application is not a guarantee of engagement with the program, but if you are interested in getting more experience or getting experience for the very first time in specialty crop production, you have aspirations of becoming a farmer, this would be a great opportunity for you to get some learning experience without some of the risk that's associated with establishing a new farm. Like I said, we won't be able to match everybody that applies. We're hoping for about 15 participants this first year in our pilot program. For more information about this program and to access the registration link if you want to apply, go to the SunUp website and you'll find the registration details there.